What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the process of a Depop order. Depop's a service where you can sell old, new, whatever type of clothes you want to sell. There's a lot of vintage clothes on there, you know. I sold this polar hat today, had for a while. I got this hat a while back actually on Depop, but it didn't fit me. I don't know, my head, I guess, is kind of lopsided. It's a large, and I have a big head. I thought it would have fit me, but it doesn't stay on my head right. Like, it falls off all the time. Luckily, someone bought it, though. So, I'm going to show you guys the process of shipping it out, show you the do's and don'ts. It's pretty easy, but there's some mess-ups that you could easily do that, of course, I previously went through, but this is a video so you guys don't have to go through the same mistakes I did, and hopefully this might inspire you to go into your closet and make some money and sell some clothes that you don't really need anymore or want. You know, I still have a lot of clothes I want to sell. A little shameless plug here, but I'm gonna insert my storefront. So if, you know, I sell a bunch of different stuff out of my closet, whatever I find in the thrift that doesn't fit me, that looks, you know, good enough to sell. So make sure to go check it out. Anyways, let's get on with it.
So if you have the time, I would definitely suggest going to a dollar store to get your packaging supplies. Now, the post office offers all the packaging supplies, but you know, they're always gonna sell them at a higher price point just because it's conveniently right there when you gotta ship the parcel. So if you have the time, I suggest just going to Dollar General or Dollar Store, and it'll save you some money.
130.
Oh, 130.
Are you on the tube?
Oh yeah, doing a little video right now.
I'm on TikTok.
Oh nice, really?
Big Boy Armand.
Oh, you're Big Boy on TikTok?
No, his name is Big Boy Armand. That's my cat.
Big Boy Armand?
Big Boy Armand.
Big Boy Armand.
Yeah, he's a popular.
Okay, I'll have to look out for him.
Yeah,
he's top dog, huh?
Yep. You have a dime?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I only had a quarter. That's why I had to give you another dollar.
Yeah,
the best.
make sure you look for him.
I will. Check him out.
His name is Big Boy Armand.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll look out,
I bet
definitely.
you he's famouser than you.
Oh, you're making me jealous now.
Yeah.
You're getting away with, I'll let you get away with it today.
Yeah, he might have more followers than you.
Oh no. You never know. Do you know how to get to the USPS office?
I'm sorry, I really don't.
USPS office?
I really don't know.
It's okay. It's enough if you haven't.
I thought it
It's enough. So I'm not 100% sure if you can ship in a bowl mailer like this, but oh, it came with two. I didn't even realize. This would fit perfectly. So this is the hat, nice polar cap, size large, as you can see. I'm just gonna throw this right into here. Not gonna seal it up just yet. But yeah, I mean that's perfect size. I just gotta slap that shipping label right on the front, seal her up, and send her off. There she is. Exactly what we needed. The shipping label! Woohoo!
And recycling and boxes.
Yeah, and all the above.
What are you selling?
A hat.
Chocolate?
Yeah, I'm selling chocolate.
Selling chocolate? Yeah! Chocolate. I remember when they first invented chocolate.
You're selling fake Rick Owens?
Whoa. How's your shift going?
It's actually, apparently I got here and they were all complaining about how bad it was. And then I got here and the rainbows started, sunshine cleared. Oh. He just needed me.
So really good luck to him. I'll show you the final product. We'll be heading over to the USPS office, not the UPS. Don't get it messed up. I one time went to the UPS with a pair of shoes that I was trying to ship on Depop, and it was just a total fail. He just said, hey, this is the UPS office, not the USPS. Make sure you don't make that same mistake I did. Let's seal this up. Make sure you guys see this. Just like that, and we're done. All good to go, all sealed up, ready to be shipped out.
There you go. Just dropping this off. Thanks so much. No, I'm totally fine. Thanks so much. Have a nice one.
Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to try to do more how-tos in the future, just because I find fun in them. So yeah, see you guys later. Peace.
Don't play no damn games with me. You got these niggas hating me. Ain't shit you can say to me. You gon' meet your goddamn friend.